everybody. Today we're going to take a look at this KABA Peaks. It's the one that I got from RedEye Locksport. RedEye, appreciate the lock. I'm hoping I can get into it. As y'all can see, I'm actually not in my normal picking location. I am out visiting family this weekend. And I am sitting on my dad's workbench. If I can get this tension wrench in there we go. Let's go ahead and zoom in a bit. And I know these have this little check pin in the front that needs to be picked. There's a click back there. It felt like on 4 or 5. Another click there, felt like about 3. Let's go ahead and, the check pin's still floppy, so he's not ready to be picked. Okay, got a nice click out of 1. A click out of 4. Got a click out of 5. I just got a little click out of 2. Go ahead and check this key pin now. Oh, he's still good. Okay, I got a nice little click out of 1 and a slight turn on the core. So let's see if we can get this little check pin. I'm not getting any feedback at all right now. That was me slipping off of a pin. Kind of feels like the core is completely locked up on me right now because everybody is stiff, nobody's springy. Okay, so I'm going to release a little tension and go back to the back again. Okay, got a nice click back there. Nice click off of 6. That was off of 3. Ever so often I'm coming back up and checking that little check pin because it has to be picked too. But the main challenge with these KABA Peaks guys is they're pretty consistent as far as tolerances go. They've got nice tolerances. They don't have a whole lot of security pins in them. But the really nice tolerances makes up a lot for that. Pretty sure it's got a couple of spools in it, because at one point when I was picking this lock earlier, I felt maybe 1 or 2 spools. I'm not getting any feedback again, so something's going on here. There's got a couple of nice clicks. I think that was on 5 and 6. Nope, nothing going on now. Back to the land of no feedback. So maybe I had somebody overset. That was 6. That was 5. felt like 4. That was 2. There was 1. There we go. And we got it open. Alrighty. I don't have my pinning tray here, guys, so bear with me real quick. We'll just improvise something here. Alright. A duct tape pinning tray. Alright, as y'all can see, it is open. Let's get this clip off of here. Okay, let me zoom out just a bit. Okay, maybe my small follower. Okay, there we go. And the check pin went ahead and popped out. He's sitting right there on my finger. So let's see if I can get my tweezers out of my bag. Okay. So here's our check pin from 1. That actually goes up top. And see, well, it looks like a couple of the pins are stuck at the top there, so it doesn't look like I actually had to pick every pin. And one pin's missing. I don't remember dropping anything. Maybe I pushed it up into the Bible. Huh. Okay. Alright, here's the bottom check pin. There's pin 1. Pin 2. Yeah, I apologize for this, guys. I just forgot to grab my pinning tray. Pin 4. So, actually that pin 3 was one that was missing one, wasn't it? Alright, so I don't know where that pin from pin 3 went. Unless it wasn't in there. Maybe somebody's playing a joke on me. Nah, I doubt it though. RedEye's a good guy. Okay, I've got a spool up top in 1. Standard in 2. Standard in 3. Whoa. And I've got 2 pins popped out at once here, but there's my missing key pin, guys. So yeah, I definitely just pushed that guy right up into the Bible. Alright, nothing's been done to the plug here, or the Bible, so just tight tolerances on this guy. So let me zoom in here. Darn tape. Stuck to my finger. I need that finger, guys. Alright. Alright, so here's your check pin. All standards down below. All standards up top, except for chambers 1 and 4. They're both spools. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry about the terrible gutting here. RedEye, thanks for the lock. Everybody else, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe by pressing the big subscribe button right underneath the video.